Josh, Del, and Justin. And of course, Once Entertainment, maraming salamat. Wish Music Awards, GMJ, Direk Arnold, maraming salamat. Sony Music Philippines, Miss Ross, Mama Sony, Miss Man, Cholo, Raisa, maraming salamat. Of course, our team, Once Entertainment, dala-dala namin kay dito, 1Z. Of course, our co-producer here for Time, Sirsis. Maraming salamat for this award. Yung Time, nung narinig namin siya, alam namin na etong song na to ay makaka-touch ng maraming puso. So maraming salamat sa award na to, Wish Music. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, SB9. We have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan Eats, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Wishers! Maraming salamat! 18! Maraming salamat!
Maraming salamat sa lahat na nakinig ng DAM. DAM is about overcoming our challenges, and as Filipinos, we continue to pursue and be resilient with our different problems. Same with SB19, and we're so honored to receive this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you, 18! Thank you, Wish Music!
Congratulations, SB19. They will receive a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos, while their beneficiary, patients of the Philippine Cancer Society, will receive 100,000 pesos, courtesy of Wish and Pure Gold. On their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan Eats, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Song of the Year is
Dungka SB19!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Gallahan Eats, Marketing Promotions Manager.
Kung di mo to gusto, ang abutin mo! Yes! Maraming salamat to Wishers. Thank you so much again on behalf of Pablo, Josh, Tel, Ken, and Justin. Maraming salamat on behalf of 1Z Entertainment. Maraming salamat to Wishers. Thank you, Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat. I remember performing Dungka sa first ever stopover of Wish Music. Maraming salamat, Direk Arnold, GMJ, maraming salamat for being so open and collaborative sa idea ng Dungka sa first ever stopover. I remember asking them if pwede kaming mag-perform sa taas ng Wish Box. But for safety purposes, hindi yun pwede. Kaya ang ending, nag-perform po kami sa scaffolding. So maraming salamat. Thank you, 18! Maraming salamat. Thank you, Sony Music. Thank you, Rad Kids, ang nag-produce ng song na Dungka. Thank you, Coach Jay, sa gumawa ng choreography. Thank you everybody. Thank you sa lahat na sumusuporta sa SB19. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
May umaaligid. Sarah Geronimo and SB19!
To receive the award on their behalf, we have Miss Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, and Callahan East, Marketing Promotions Manager.
I am here with me, the management of Sarah Geronimo, Zachi, and Chance.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. We would like to accept this award in behalf of Sarah Geronimo and SB19. First, we would like to thank Wish for creating such an amazing platform for truly celebrating Filipino music. Umaaligid is a song that conveys a powerful message. It is an awareness for disinformation and mass manipulation. Sa Popstars and sa 18, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta, not just for the song, but also for the wonderful artists behind it. And of course, sa team behind Umaaligid, the songwriters, Tyro and Jose, of course, the producers, Rad Kids, Kuya Productions, Adam, Sarah Geronimo, as well as Emil, our mixing and mastering engineer po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And of course, yung choreographers din behind Umaaligid, Coach Jim, Coach Jay, and Ira Kasim. And I just want to say that this collaboration by Sarah Geronimo and SB19 reflects what we believe in G Music. G Music continues to champion creative freedom and purpose-driven music. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Sarah Geronimo and S.
Maraming salamat po ulit to Wizard's Choice Award. Thank you so much.
This award is not just for SB19, but all 18! Maraming salamat sa inyo! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala kami rito, and most especially SB19. Let's continue to support Filipino pop music and of course, SB19. Thank you!
Thank you so much.